everyone doing today? I hope that so far you are having an amazing Tuesday. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Lindsay Brantley. I am the founder of Camellia Alise, which is a skincare company, and also the Camellia Alise Training Academy. But today is a super special day for me. Today is my birthday. So I am super excited to be celebrating another year of life. I turned 34 today. Although 2020 has definitely not been what we planned for, it has been an amazing year. So I'm coming to you guys because I'm super excited. I have an announcement that I wanted to make. But before I make that announcement, I really and truly just want to say thank you so much today. At 34 years old, I woke up surrounded by my husband, my son. I just want to thank all of my family, my friends, business supporters. 2020, like I said, it didn't start off or the way that we planned when we were making all these 2019 vision boards, but it has been an amazing year for me, and I want for nothing. I am thankful for each and every one of you that is tuning in with me today. I'm just thankful for the people who have continued to support my business, my family, my friends, everyone. And as part of that, 2020 really inspired me, you guys, to do something that I've been meaning to do. For everybody that's tuning in, you guys have been watching my journey for years. I've been trying to build this skincare business. We launched the training academy. We opened up this amazing spa. And even though today is my off day, I snuck in here to make this announcement for you guys. And then I am out of here to go spend the rest of the day with my family. But the announcement that I wanted to make, for years as I've been building this journey, I've been, tripping and falling and learning a lot along the way. And if you know me, you know that I always just want to give back and give more than I take. And so I really and truly want to share my story. And I had the opportunity when COVID first hit in March to say, you know what, I'm about to make this happen. So starting in March, I started writing my first book, and I am super excited to announce that Building Your Beauty Empire will be on Amazon as well as Barnes and Noble, and it is also currently available now on my website for pre-orders. So my book is available, and it's going to be officially released September the 1st. I got my preview copies, so I wanted to make sure everything looked good before I released it to you guys. But this is me. This is my heart. This is my story. But it's more than that. I didn't want to write a book where it was just all about, oh, here's me, here's everything that I've been through. No, I wanted to empower you guys. So that meant I wanted to give you resources. I wanted to give you things that you need to build your beauty empire. This book is full of, if you're developing a skincare company, if you're developing a service based company, what you need to know to get you there. I even have like daily habit goal charts in the back. There's worksheets in it. There's companies to go to for private labeling, companies to go to for manufacturing. There's even, where to go to learn how to formulate your own company. Also, of course, there's a lot of me in here. So the mistakes that I've made, lessons I've learned when building my team, lessons I've learned as far as mentoring, what you need to know when you're looking for a mentor. All of that is here. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes to say thank you so much to, like I said, family, friends, everybody that has been wishing me a happy birthday. And I just wanted to make the announcement that the book is now available for pre order, and it will be hitting the shelves September the 1st. So didn't want to take up too much of you guys' time, but I'm super excited for this accomplishment. And if you know me, this is going to be the first of many. I know I have so much that I want to give. And this book is also going to be a part of the Building Your Beauty Empire program that I'm now instituting for people who want to get into the skincare industry. So more will be coming on that soon. But like I said, I just wanted to pop on, make the announcement, tell you guys thank you so much for all the birthday wishes and everything that you guys do for me. I am back at it tomorrow. I got one day to kind of rest, but I'm still here at the spa, so I'm not really resting, right? But I got one day to kind of rest, get myself together. spend some time with my family, and then I'm back at it tomorrow and back at class on Thursday. So I will see each and every one of you soon. Hopefully, we will cross paths, whether it be virtually or in person. And if you have any questions about the book, feel free to reach out to us. It'll be available for pre order on Amazon, and it's available for pre order on my website, CameliaAlise.com, right now. And then, like I said, it'll be available in paperback version September the 1st on Amazon, Barnes and Noble, as well as my website. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will be talking to each and every one of you soon. I am now about to go and continue spending time with my family. My poor son, who is here with me today, bored, and like, Mom, when are we having cake? So that's what I'm about to go do now. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will be talking to each and every one of you soon. Thanks. And also, tomorrow's Wine and Wellness Wednesday. So if you don't know, tune in on Wednesdays at 7 o'clock on the at Camellia Alise page, and on 7:30 at the at Camellia Alise Academy page, where we talk about self-care, skincare, wellness, as well as business. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks. About 10 different videos going here, y'all. So I'm ending them all one at a time.